Network issues. Connection to server lost. Please check your network connection before trying again. Recently, some PUBG or bGMI players have been facing network issues and PUBG keeps giving a pop-up like connection to server lost. Please check your network connection before trying again. Now, if you find that you can't start my match on PUBG, you can keep getting this error on your screen. Then watch this video to learn a quick way to solve these network issues on PUBG. So let's get started. First, you need to fix your internet issues. So first, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After checking your internet, please check the PUBG server. Sometimes server down issues can cause these issues. Now to check the server issues, open a browser of your choice on your device. Type www.downdetector. Now type PUBG. Now, if you see the red chart is getting up, that means there are ongoing issues with the server. In that case, you need to wait for PUBG to fix its problems. Or if you see the red chart is down and flat, that means there are no issues with the PUBG server right now. Now, if there are no server issues but you keep getting the server didn't respond, then after solving the internet issues, you now need to open setting, scroll down, tap additional setting, scroll down, tap developer option. Now find graphic drive preference. Now find the PUBG apps. Enable system graphic drive. Now go back. Now tap allow screen overlay on setting. Now again, open setting, scroll down, tap apps, tap manage apps, search for PUBG apps, tap on it. Now first turn on auto start. Tap app permission, enable files and media, enable location, go back. Now scroll down, tap battery saver, choose no restriction, enable all the setting. Now tap clear data, tap clear all data, tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap search option, type PUBG, and quickly check for a new software update for a PUBG application. Now, go back to your open PUBG. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After following the process, please comment below if you still have issues with PUBG on your Android. Thanks for watching.